It's important that if you are considering an LLC, that you take all things into consideration, not just forming the LLC, but making sure you understand the tax implications, making sure you understand the compliance, that once you start it, you have to finish it, making sure you understand where you are in your financial world, because that's going to put additional income or loss onto your personal income tax return. And you may be trying to qualify to buy a home. You don't want to have a loss. Or you may be in a child support or debt collection issue and you don't want to show additional income. You also want to make certain that you're not just forming that LLC to say the name, to reserve your name. That's very important. It's important to understand all of these things when you're thinking about forming an LLC. And now that you know better, I expect you to do better.